Hello, I am Carrot the Gamer. Today, I'm going to be showing you the extreme basics of Roblox Studios. Why? I don't know. But it's simple enough that this guy right here can probably figure it out. I'm not too sure, but he might be able to figure it out. I don't know. So, where you first get into Roblox Studios, you're met by, well, just give me a second, I'll be able to show you. So if I close this, no, we don't need it. It'll be set with this. Or, it might be my games. Click new. Click do classic base plate because this has nothing. And essentially, so that's that. And so the controls are you hold down if you're on a computer, which I think you have to be. You hold down right click, the right button, whatever you want to say, to move it around. The middle mouse scrolling button to move it without turning it. And that's basically it. Oh, you can also zoom in and out. So that's how you move around. Now if you're wondering how to place down blocks, you go ahead, click apart, you can do whichever one you want. Click on it. Now it's probably not going to be the size you want it to be. See that? Very tiny. So, click scale, make it bigger, wider, whatever you want. You can click on it, click this little thing, and choose where you want it to be. You can make it, some nice grass. Nice thing that might look a little weird, so you can make some colors here. There might be a way to make custom colors, I'm not too sure. Pretty sure there is, I just don't know how to. So boom, we have a nice grass block. And no, not the Minecraft type. So that's how you mess with that. Very, very simple. And just click backspace to do that. Oh, 1 second, let me bring it back. You can also rotate it to any desired way. And if you want to make it to where it, does it less, you can go over here and click the change to rotate by typing in or scrolling, which apparently works. There you go, makes it turn on different ways to get very specific. There's also one more thing I want to say real quick. I might be thinking, well, that looks nothing like the things that I see in Roblox. That's the toolbox. That's something I'll get onto later. You go into here, click edit, and then you can choose anything you want. Like this, make some nice grass. And then you can go ahead and make some grass. Now you can make it smooth, which, smoothens it out, make it less blocky. You can also get rid of it, make it grow, erode, nothing special. You can also flatten it, stuff like that. So go ahead and get rid of all that. With a lot of lag. Wow, no lag at all. Let's just ignore that. And for the final thing, for those people who can't figure out how to make things, you can go to the toolbox and just basically see if you want cat. Go cat. Then you get cats. So you can just plop down the cat. Now if it has scripts, typically you'll get a notification saying, hey, this has scripts. So you click play here. You get a nice cat. Oh no. And now to prevent stuff like that, you click on it and click anchor. And then now if you're the best with it, you won't drop kick the cat. But you still kick it, but you won't, move it. What else do I need to say? There's literally everything. I mean, look. There's the rock sky. Weird. What else should I say? I think that's everything. There's probably something important I'm missing. Oh yeah, how to save it. So you can go ahead, go over to File, click it, Save to Roblox, and then you can, I don't know. Now this won't post it. It just makes it to where like you save all the changes, then it'll load it. Now how to post it, I'll do that on a separate video. This is basically the controls and extremely simple stuff. All within about 5.5 minutes. Try and do that quickly. So, it's really simple. Let's ask the noob if he understands. Do you understand it now? What do you mean, no? I said too fast. But I'm trying to make a short video. Whatever. Oh, I was Cut the Gamer. Goodbye. Help. Hey, I just I watched the thing and I'm like, shoot, I forgot one important thing. So you go over to Model, by scrolling or clicking it, you click this little button right here. It's kind of small. You get your base plate. Now you can customize it, make it different things, or you can just have the stereotypical stuff. You can also click effects. Click that, click effects, blah, blah. Oh, now it's on fire. I don't know why I'd want that. Also, one more thing. Typically, you would have this thing right here open. Basically, it just lets you, access everything. Also, one more thing. If you click on something, click F, then your camera will zoom in. It's like really far away. Just click on it. Click F. Boom. That's all I have to say. So, this is Cut the Gamer. This is the real goodbye. The other one I was, completely forgot about this. So, yeah. Bye. Have a good day. I don't know. Subscribe. I don't know.